There are many ways in which the United States is diverse from region to region, but I'm just going to hit the highlights of the 5 that were discussed in the book because otherwise we'd be here for hours. First of all, with education, not just from region to region or state to state, but even within a community, the education commitment level, the monetary level, not only coming from the government, but coming from the community as well, parental help, are going to vary greatly. So a teacher should know what kind of values the community has just to see the educational background of the students and what they are expected to do and what the teacher is expected to do. With religion, although it's not supposed to be in schools, it's important to note that many of the decisions that people make and the politics, cuisine, health, all of those other factors are influenced by our deeply rooted values. So it's important for the teacher to know the religions prominent within the community and also how the students' religions affect the decisions that they're making. With politics, the biggest takeaway from the book was that since the United States has a diverse set of political views, we should take that to understand that other countries also have a diverse set of political views. And if one person does something politically, that doesn't represent the entire country. So we should assume that other countries are just as diverse as we are. With cuisine, often this is discounted as something, fluffy or just very base level of getting to know a culture or a person. But people are quite proud of their cuisine, and it does differ from culture to culture. So it's one way where students can feel very comfortable if they are immigrant students and they can have like a little piece of home with them. So don't discount the importance of people's connection to their food. Next is health. Also varying from region to region, the most important takeaway here is that healthy living education is paramount in any curriculum. It doesn't matter if the kids are in kindergarten or 12th grade. Teaching them to engage in healthy behaviors socially, emotionally, physically is really important for them to live an all-around healthy life and to be the best people that they can be.